make.com. Today, I continue working on the webhook response units and learned some basic authentication with the webhook response and started building the use case for this unit, which will basically, you can search for a company in your files, essentially like a company contact, supplier, and at first the scenario will look to see if you're authenticated, and based on that, if you are eventually authenticated with webhook responses, then it will search through your HubSpot CRM. If it's found, it will return it as a webhook response, the contact information. If it's the supplier is not found, it will go to look through your data store, and then based on that, it will return that if it's found. If it's not, it won't. It will return not found. Also, errors in a webhook scenario, webhook response scenario. If you have an error before the webhook response, essentially what will be returned as a webhook response is a some type of 500 response. It's saying like an internal server error or something along those lines. Also, any given parent scenario can only send one piece of data or like package at a time if there's a webhook response. Until you get the webhook response from the first package you sent, you can't send a second package from that same HTTP request, but you can send two different packages from two different parent scenarios to the same child scenario that is a webhook response scenario at the same time, and they are processed parallelly. So that's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See you.